this is very exciting. The postal guys, take a peek. Let's see how we're gonna do this here. Oh, these must be the little remotes. Oh my gosh, look at that. Let's check these out. That is super sexy. Holy shit. Wow. That is cool. Okay. Alright, let's try to see what these are. These must be the tips. Man, this thing is insane. Now, I know they have the matte black tips, but you know what? I like the blue. You know, I like the blue tips. Matte black would have been cool too, but dang, these things are pretty dang burly. Put it in comparison to the stock. Diameter is just about the same. They're just blue, and I know you can adjust these. You can have them stick out farther. Wow, that is pretty cool. Okay, let's continue. Okay, I just got an update. I just went ahead and had the exhaust installed. I had actually the Nissan. My service manager was actually insisting on doing it, so I went ahead and let him do it. And that way I won't have any warranty issues or any issues regarding, you know, modified parts. So